Hi and welcome to this workshop video. Today I'm together with Dennis from Nordson and we are going to show you some really interesting stuff on gluing actual booklets to a web. We use the Nordson system to do that, and we have mounted the EP11 system on our machine. It's a booklet machine for booklet labels, and I'm going to talk about some of the unique benefits on a glue system. But first of all, let's take a look at it. So Dennis is going to pull out the system now, and then we see how the system actually looks on the machine. So the system consists of multiple valves where we can control the glue that is coming out right here and being applied to the web. Now this is normally an analog system, but we have combined the Nordson analog glue systems with the power and control of GM automation. So let's take a look here at the operator panel of the machine. So what we did is that we control the Nordson system fully digitally from this machine. That means that we can open and close the valves, we can have different gluing patterns, and we can store recipes. Also, there are a number of other unique benefits to this system. First of all, registration. We can put the glue down in a registered pattern. Stay on this video and we're going to show you up close zooms of what we're actually doing here. Also, the system has an automated level control and speed control. So when we accelerate the process, the amount of glue is going to stay the same all the time. If there is a temperature issue or pressure issue, the machine is going to stop. So it's a fully automated integration of a Nordson system. Now, gluing applications has a wide range of application, not only labels. You can use it to many different industrial processes. So if you have a gluing need, please contact us. We have a huge experience in this. And remember to hit the subscribe button. Now, thank you for watching this.